We are now just under 2 days away from the first formal hearing in the case of ADOR's lawsuit versus Danielle, a member of Danielle's family, and former ADOR CEO Min Hee-jin. And according to multiple Korean outlets, ADOR has now appointed 4 new attorneys from the law firm Lee-han after the company's previous legal team from Kim and Chung resigned last month. This news has also been paired with ADOR confirming requests to change the hearing date, which eagle-eyed fans had already noticed through court filings, although ADOR told reporters the May 14th hearing is still currently expected to proceed. That timing matters because so far one of the biggest disputes has been about timing, because Danielle's side says it's a liability. Idols are young. This is kind of the peak era, this age she's at for being an idol, and that any delay would impact her career. ADOR, on the other hand, disagrees, saying that the timeline they were pushing for is normal for a civil lawsuit of this size and complexity, and argued that there were still numerous factual disputes, witnesses, and alleged violations that needed to be reviewed carefully. But one thing, and again, Eagle Eye fans notice this, is that when you look at the actual court record thus far, Danielle's side does appear to have been more active in terms of filings connected directly to arguments and evidentiary submissions. The docket shows repeated submissions from Danielle's legal teams throughout March, April, and May, including written briefs, evidence filings, procedural opinions, supporting materials, and multiple responses tied to how the case should move forward. There were also a large number of third-party petitions, most notably by NewJeans fans, along with reference submissions ahead of the hearing. By comparison, much of ADOR's visible activity in the docket has centered around procedural management, including scheduling requests, attorney changes, and arguments about how long the case should take because of its scale and complexity. Obviously, we don't know too much until the hearing actually takes place. So yeah, we will get a clearer picture on May 14th, because so far, very little of ADOR's detailed legal position has been argued publicly, really beyond the initial statement that they released when they terminated Danielle's contract. That's why so many fans are just keeping an eye out on this hearing, what will be revealed, what will be discussed, and what will even be shared with the public. So we will learn a lot more. And of course, I will keep you posted on those updates, so be sure to follow me here for more updates on this case, NewJeans, and other K-pop news.